Yes, can you unlock the door so I can step in?
Hello?
Can you unlock the door so I can step in?
I don't have access to unlock the door. There should be an officer coming back to help you out, though, okay?
What is your ID number?
Ma'am, there's somebody coming back to help you.
What's your ID number? What's your ID number?
To help you.
What's your ID number?
Do you need my ID number for, ma'am?
I need it for the record. It's your policy.
For what?
You're a public worker. State your ID number.
921.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Hi, Officer Duffy. Okay.
What's going on?
I filed 2 reports on Brian Johnson for
When?
breaking my court order of protection.
When?
One was yesterday with Officer Freeburn,
Okay.
and I want an update. I want to know if there's a warrant for his arrest for breaking my court order of protection. Harassed me all night.
Just walked in, so
Let's
if she
check.
handled it, then let me go into the computer and see
Please, let's check.
what's been done with it, okay?
What's your badge number?
1559.
4559.
1559. You gotta write that down.
1559.
I feel like a broken record.
Yeah, I know. Can I come in and wait?
Come on in.
Thank you.
I have a secret there if you'd like.
Okay. This is the current chief. Kiblings. Lots of good certificates here.
Yeah, those are our, excuse me, right behind you.
Oh.
Those are our accreditation certificates. We get accredited once every 4 years. So an accreditation cycle goes every 4 years. So New York State and their accreditation team come and they, essentially make sure that everything's New York State compliant and whatnot. And once accreditation is, deemed compliant and A-OK, we get a nice certificate.
Well, it's nice and clean in here.
Thank you.
Officer
looks like
Freeburn's not here?
No.
That's not what dispatch told me a few minutes ago.
Yeah, she just left. Well, so it's 20 after 7.
She was supposed to call me back. I left her multiple messages.
So we came in and she was processing an arrest that my partner ended up having to take to arraignment because of the rollover time, because it happened at the end of her shift. So she was busy. She's back in tomorrow. If you want to inquire with her tomorrow.
What's the name of the dispatch?
Dispatch?
Yeah.
It's Washington County Communications Center Dispatch.
The one who answers that call button?
I don't know.
Okay. Because he refused to give me his name.
Was it a male or a female?
Male.
There's copious amounts of dispatchers.
Someone needs to educate him. He's a public servant. He works for the public. It's policy to state his name, not only his call number.
Sure, I don't know. You may be right. I don't know.
Oh, I know I'm right.
I don't know what their policies are, so
I get educated every day.
I have no doubt about that.
So the charges on Brian. Freeburn said yesterday she was bringing them straight to the judge. The judge doesn't have say. He broke my court order of protection. She saw the videos.
Did you provide a statement?
Yes.
Okay.
She heard the video of him banging up on his ceiling, which is my floor, saying, "Wake up, wake up."
Sure.
Calling me names, cursing me out.
Sure.
All night.
Okay.
From Thursday night into Friday morning till after 5 a.m.
Okay.
She has multiple videos, multiple recordings, him putting fireworks on the wood of the fire tracks and lighting it. And the fireworks, only one blew up. The rest just stayed burning there. You'll see the video. He's lucky he didn't set the track on fire. He's very lucky. All that smoke,
If that's also the case,
all the smoke came in my window.
The railway police, so
On his way out the door, he was yelling, cursing at me. Sets the fireworks on his way back in the door, yelling and cursing at me. Constantly saying, "Call the police, call the police. I want you to call the police." Oh, he says that he works with the police. That's what he says. It's all on recording.
I don't know that to be true, but
Well, hey, it's got to be true because he hasn't been arrested. You know, I was physically assaulted, physically punched, and I'm told that's harassment.
are under investigation.
Ha.
So these things.
Is this the only town where you can
right-
punch and
right
punch
in
and
there.
punch somebody, and that's just harassment and not assault?
I'm not sure
Especially
what
with a
incident
senior
you're referring to.
citizen.
I'm not sure what incident you're referring to. at that
The
point.
first time he came down the driveway and punched me, cut the top of my hand.
I don't know.
The second
familiar
time,
with that.
sitting in my car, come to my window, punch and punch.
I have not handled
My
the
arm was
disputes
swollen
between
from my elbow
both of you.
up underneath.
So I don't have any intimate knowledge of that.
They saw the video of him physically assaulting me, coming to me.
Okay. Was he arrested? I
No.
don't have any intimate knowledge
No.
of this.
Oh, that's just harassment.
Okay.
Not only was it on my surveillance camera, it was on my phone recording,
Okay.
which they both saw. And then, when I left to follow, what's her name?
Officer Freeburn?
Freeburn.
Okay.
I followed her to give her my statement. When I left and went home, Brian stood in the doorway, crossed his arms. I said, "Come on, I'm waiting for you. Come on." I said, "Just get out of the way. I want to go up to my apartment." He refused. And then Heidi came to the door. Both of them stood there for a long time, blocking my way. Again, I got to call 911. They saw the video of him blocking my entrance, refusing to let me in, threatening me. And then when they showed up, right in front of them, I don't know if you were there were 3-4 cops
I
there.
haven't handled any disputes between you and Brian.
He was standing in the driveway screaming at me, "I'm going to stab you many times," in front of all 4 cops. "I'm going to stab you all. I'm going to stab you many times." Kept saying it. Again, I wanted him arrested. But no, he's allowed to assault senior citizens. I'm not the first senior citizen he's assaulted.
Okay. Like I said, I don't have any intimate knowledge of these incidents, so
It doesn't show in the computer if there's a warrant for him.
no.
There should be.
There should be.
There should have been. He broke my court order of protection by harassing me.
Okay. Well.
I'm fed up with this department,
Okay. Well,
not
I'm sorry.
backing an innocent woman up.
Sure. I'm sorry you feel that way. I know.
It-
Trust me, I personally handled some matters for you.
I'm
and
shown
saw
to
them
feel
through.
that way.
Okay.
I feel this way because of what's going on.
You have every right to feel the way you feel. I will say this. There doesn't necessarily need to be a warrant right away because Officer Freeburn's still investigating the case and she might just go and arrest him directly. So,
It should be an immediate arrest because he broke the court order.
okay. Well,
It should be an immediate arrest according to the law.
Yep.
I look it up.
Okay. If
New York State law applies to Hudson
Officer
Falls.
Freeburne's investigation leads to an arrest, it will lead to an arrest. That's what I can tell you. I can't tell you.
He should have been
why.
arrested
I
already.
can't tell you why he wasn't arrested.
He should have been
already.
arrested yesterday.
Okay. Well, I can't tell you why he wasn't. I don't know. I wasn't there.
Even both the females in the interview room
Okay.
said
Officer
that's
Freeburn-
harassment,
Officer Freeburn's a very
breaking
thorough
my
police
court order.
officer. She knows what she's doing. So I'm going to trust that if there
You
is an
know,
arrest to be
I would
effected,
have
that she will
trusted
do
her,
that.
but when she saw the video of him coming down the driveway punching me, when she saw the video of him punching me in my vehicle, she said he was going to be physically arrested and he wasn't. And then when I went back and he was punching and punching my window, punching me through the window, and she saw the video, she said he would be physically arrested and he wasn't.
Okay, we don't know the circumstances as to why he wasn't arrested that same day. Perhaps her investigation is going to take.
They saw the video recording.
It's still an investigation. They have to investigate the matter, see through it to the points where.
So if I go punch and punch and punch somebody, I'm not going to be immediately arrested for assault until your investigation's over? Is that what you're saying to me?
Conduct an investigation and then.
That's a lie.
See through to an arrest.
That's when you see video recording of somebody punching someone repeatedly and then label it harassment and not assault.
Josephine,
There's criminality there.
I understand what you're saying. You're trying to get an answer from me that I can't give you right now.
Of course not.
I literally.
You can't go against the blue line.
Nope, I can't. I'm not saying that. I walked in 20 minutes ago. This is the first I'm hearing of this incident. And
No, it's not.
Yeah, from yesterday, because I wasn't made aware.
Oh, maybe from yesterday. But his previous history.
His previous histories, like I said, I have no intimate knowledge of it because I did not handle these investigations. Okay, I handled your previous investigations, the ones that you and I have handled, and the matters have been seen through to an arrest. Okay, that's what I can tell you.
He should have already been arrested.
When Officer Freeburn comes in tomorrow morning.
Oh, tomorrow. Tomorrow. 3 days later.
She will be in tomorrow.
Yeah, 3 days later, after breaking a court order of protection, I gotta wait 3 days. And what's to stop him from breaking the court order again?
If he breaks the court order tonight, I'm on all night. You call and I'll be there.
You'll be there, but that's not a guarantee that he will be physically removed.
So long as there's evidence that such a crime.
I have all evidence of what I say. I don't lie, ever. I don't exaggerate.
I'm not saying that you do.
I never do. Lies come back to haunt you.
Sure.
Anytime in the future, that skeleton jump out of your closet and haunt your ass.
Sure will.
That's what lies do.
Yep, I agree.
The sooner the better for liars, criminals, and thieves.
I agree. I will follow up with Officer Freeburn to see what the status is on this, and we will go from there. That's what I can tell you.
She should have got back to me today, because I called hours ago.
Okay, I
Hours ago.
haven't even looked to see what the synopsis for today was. So
First, the guy told me, oh, she's out on a call. The second time I called, 2 hours later, oh, she's still out on the same call. Excuse me?
Josephine, that might have been very true.
Come on now.
Okay, well, unless you've done the job, then you wouldn't know how long these incidents take. We could be tied up for hours. And then we could be tied up one after the other, after the other, after the other. This is a very busy place.
I'm surprised your body cam's not on.
It is very much on. It's
Oh,
red.
okay.
It's recording. It's our policy.
Yeah. I need a complaint form for the dispatcher, the one who answers that call box.
I do not handle the dispatch complaints because they are a separate entity of us. They dispatch.
They're in this
us.
building.
They are not in this building. They are not in this building. You know where they're at? 383 Broadway in Fort Edward.
They're in Fort Edward. What is the address?
383 Broadway.
383. I need to stop
it's the
there.
municipal complex.
Yeah, I need to go there.
Okay, you're more than welcome to.
Then maybe I'll get his name, like what he's supposed to do. They need to be educated. Education isn't enough for liars. All right. Thank you.
Absolutely.
Can somebody call me tomorrow and let me know what's going to happen?
I will make sure that Officer Freeburn does.
Yeah. Well, you can relay the message, but that's not a guarantee she'll call me back. He should have already been arrested. I shouldn't have to wait 3 days for an answer. And it's not up to the judge. Once a court order of protection is broken, the immediate arrest is supposed to follow. According to New York state law.
Okay. Well, if, like I said, without knowing what's going on, if there's evidence of such a crime that occurred, then he will surely be arrested. Okay.
Go to my Facebook page, Josephine Psych. You'll see the videos.
Okay. I'll make sure to check that out.
Him banging and banging. You'll hear it very loud. Calling me names all night long till the next morning, 5 o'clock in the morning. A little after 5 o'clock in the morning, it shows that both of them leaving the house. I guess going to buy more crack.
Now let me ask you this: is it a refrain from, or is it a complete stay away order of protection?
Refrain from harassing,
Okay. Like I said, I'm asking you.
speaking to me, bothering me, touching me, my property. You know, because the new criminal judge was going to order a permanent stay away, but because I stood up and wanted to speak, because the prosecutor didn't tell the judge that she even heard my recordings of him saying, next time I'm gonna rape her. I'm gonna go up her stairs and bust in her door. Wait, next time she's in the shower. That went on all night too. The recordings have been heard by the Hudson Falls police, and still he wasn't arrested for breaking my court order. Imagine that. You can threaten to rape a senior citizen.
I can assure you that
Bust their
there
door
is
in.
no conspiracy against you to not help you out when you're in need. That's not factual.
Well, going back to the other drug addict that lives with his mother, you were there when he punched my hand and assaulted me.
He made no contact with you.
Oh, it's all on recording and you can see it because as soon as he swung and hit my hand and my phone all jumbled. And it showed on, your body cam's on my Facebook page, on my YouTube page, your body cam.
I'm not going to dispute an old matter with you.
But,
But we're not going to make something that it wasn't.
Then he repeatedly threatened me. I saw his brother in court the other day. His brother's a worse drug addict than him. His brother leaves fucking needles all over the yard.
Then you should move out.
Officer Holcomb picked one up and put it in a bag.
He disposed of it, it sounds like. There used to be a law in
I'm
New
trying
York
to
State
move out.
which enabled us to arrest people for hypodermic needles, but that law has since gone away. So they are very much legal to have needles.
If they have a prescription.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yeah, okay. I'll have to look that up.
You can go to Walgreens and get needles for whatever. They're not going to ask you why. You can go to Walgreens right now. I challenge you to.
No, that's all right.
All right.
I don't need to buy no needles. I don't do any drugs at all. Smoke a little marijuana
you can ask.
for my
You don't have to
cancer.
buy. You don't have to buy. You can ask.
That's all right.
You can ask and then you can change your mind and walk out.
That's all right.
No one's saying that you have to buy anything, but I challenge you to go over there.
No, that's all right.
It's perfectly
I believe you that you say that. So, all right.
All right.
I hope to hear from one of you tomorrow. I mean, it should have already been in the system if he was going to be
The
arrested.
incident report is in the system.
The incident report.
There's a subsequent investigation to follow, and I will follow up with her. You have my word.
All right. This is just ridiculous. Ladder, which door? Thank you. Oh, it's raining. It's raining. So there you go, folks. Tomorrow will be the third day that Brian Johnson has broken my court order of protection. He's still not been arrested for it. Let's hope he stays quiet tonight. Bye for now.